Hi students, welcome to another video in which we will discuss an important concept, that is cost accounting and its importance. First of all, let us see what is the meaning of cost accounting. Cost accounting implies a branch of accounting which deals with recording, classifying, accumulation, allocation, and control of the cost of production. It captures the incomes and expenditures and prepares statements and reports for the respective period so as to determine and control costs. Now let us see the definition of cost accounting. According to Weldon, cost accounting is the application of accounting and costing principles, methods, and techniques in the ascertainment of costs and the analysis of saving or excess cost incurred as compared with previous experience or with standards. Thus, cost accounting relates to the collection, classification, ascertainment of cost and its accounting and control relating to the various elements of cost. Now let us see the importance of cost accounting. Now cost accounting is important to various parties who are engaged in the business organization. First of all, let us see the importance of cost accounting to the management. The first point is the cost accounting. It guides the management in reducing the prices. So let us see how it guides the management in reducing the uh, prices. So first of all, uh, in certain periods it becomes necessary to reduce the price even below the total cost. This will be so when there is depression or slump. So, cost properly ascertained will guide management in this direction. Second is measuring efficiency. Cost accounting will enable a concern to measure its efficiency and then to maintain and improve that efficiency. This is done by comparisons and analysis of the differences that may be observed. For example, material costs have been increased. The increase may be due to increase in price of materials or may be due to greater wastage or may be due to inefficiency at the time of buying or unnecessarily high price paid. Then the third point of importance is action against unprofitable activities. Now, cost accounting reveals unprofitable activities, inefficiencies such as wastage of materials, spoilage, leakage, pilferage, scrap, etc., and wastage of resources, that is, inadequate utilization, etc. The management is able to concentrate on profitable jobs and consider change or closure of the unprofitable jobs. Then the fourth point is it facilitates decision making. Cost accounting provides necessary data along with information to the management to take decision on any matter relating to the business. Then the fifth point is cost accounting assists in fixing prices. The various types of cost accounting techniques are much helpful in fixing the cost and selling price of a product. Therefore, the desired volume of production is secured at the minimum possible cost. The sixth point of importance is that cost accounting improves efficiency. Through the standard cost and budgetary control techniques, remedial actions can be chosen or they can be taken in order to improve the efficiency and the implementation of new principles. Seventh point is it facilitates cost control. Cost accounting facilitates cost control with the help of comparisons, product wise, firm wise comparisons can be made, and then you can exercise control on the cost. Eighth point is it establishes standard cost. Cost accounting enables the managers to find out the cost of each job and to know what it should have, what should that job have cost. It indicates where the losses and wastages occur before the work is completed. So standard cost is a predetermined cost and offers a number of advantages to the management. Next is inventory control. An effective system and check are provided on all materials and stores. Interim profit and loss account and balance sheet can be prepared without checking the physical inventory. Then the next point of importance is it prevents fraud. An effective system prevents fraud and manipulation and supplies reliable cost data to the management. The next point of importance is cost accounting is a tool of management control. Cost accounting provides systematic and comparative reports to the management, and in turn, corrective measures can be applied immediately. It aims to reduce waste, better selling, and higher profits. Then, the next point of importance is that cost accounting is a measuring rod. Cost accounting records the performance of different groups of workers, plant, machinery, etc., for measuring their comparative efficiency. The next point of importance is future prospects. The cost accountant not only provides the present trend but future prospects also. So on this basis, bankers, debenture holders, financial agencies, etc., get an idea of the soundness of the business before granting credits to them. Next point is budgeting. As cost accounting reveals actual cost, estimated cost, and standard cost of products, preparation of budget becomes easy. Effective budgetary control is also possible. Therefore, cost accounting is a system of foresight and not a post mortem examination. It turns the losses into profits, speeds up activities, and eliminates wastages. The last point is check on accuracy. A good system of cost accounting affords an independent and most reliable check on the accuracy of financial accounts. The check operates through reconciliation of profits shown by cost accounts and financial accounts. Then, cost accounting is also important to the employees. So, let us see how cost accounting is important to the employees. The first point is sound wage policy. Cost accounting introduces incentive wage schemes, bonus plans, etc., which bring better reward to sincere and efficient workers. Cost data aids the management in devising a suitable wage policy for the workers. Time wage system and piece rate system can be blended to provide higher wages and at the same time increasing productivity rate. The second point is higher bonus plans. Cost accounting leads to an increase in productivity, lowering of costs, and increase in profitability. Workers get their share in profits in the form of bonus. Higher profits naturally allow higher bonus distribution. The next point of importance of cost accounting to the employees is distinction between efficient and inefficient workers. Cost accounting provides standards for the measurement of efficiency of workers. Efficient workers can be distinguished and their efficiency recognized and rewarded. Employees have been initiated and recommended for higher promotions. This means increase in earnings through the motion study and time study in doing jobs. Others get the encouragement to be more efficient and to earn more wages in the given time of work. The last point is security of job. Employees get better remuneration, security of job, etc., due to the increasing prosperity in the industries. Monetary appreciation of the efficiency of a worker is a good tonic which leads to a higher rate of productivity. Then, cost accounting is also important to the creditors. Bankers, creditors, investors, etc., can have a better understanding of the firm as regards the progress and prosperity before they offer financial landings. Then, cost accounting is also important to the government. How it is important? First of all, the government can prepare the national plans, economic developments, etc., based on cost accounting. Secondly, by studying the trend of cost, the government can make policies like taxation, import, export, price ceiling, granting subsidy, etc. Third point is costing system has stability and cost reduction in industries. Cost audit is important and industries have to keep books of accounts to show the utilization of materials, labor and other costs. Then cost accounting is also important to the public. So let us see how it is important to the public. First of all, cost accounting removes all types of wastages and inefficiencies. So what happens because of this? It enables the consumers to get goods at better quality and cheaper rates. Secondly, the public feels that the costing system facilitates the customers to pay fair prices. Thirdly, development and prosperity of industries create employment opportunities. Next, cost reduction helps in curbing inflationary trends in the economy. And lastly, a steady progress is essential for an economic growth. There are many industries closed down because of inefficient and incompetent management. All these problems can be removed by a proper implementation of a cost accounting system. Students, I hope you'll have understood the meaning and the significance or importance of cost accounting. Thank you.